Alright, lads, we're at the Wingstop right now. So, yeah. Since we're here walking in town, we might as well make a video on food reviewing or taste testing a Wingstop. We'll get a few different types of wings. I'm here with my brother as well. So we'll probably get his thoughts as well. We'll see if we can find a place to sit. I mean, it is pretty loud in here, but we will see. So our total has come up to £28. I don't know if you can see that. £28. Pretty goddamn expensive. But Wingstop, we're here. So let's go. I bought 8 wings, Louisiana rub and lemon pepper with a ranch dip. I bought 8 wings, mango habanero and garlic parmesan with another ranch dip. I bought 1 sweet potato fries, Wingstop style, and 2 free drinks. So just waiting for our food. Once it's ready, we'll give it a taste test. Let's go. Yeah, come. Sweet potato fries. What do you think? Dad, what do you think?
Pretty good.
I'll give these 9 out of 10. Very good. Ranch is also very nice. Let's try these. Not sure what flavor these are, but let's have a look. I think this might be lemon pepper. Also, there's a lot of music in the back, so I hope it's not too loud. You know what? These are mid. I can't tell what flavor those are, but those are. Give it a 6 out of 10. What about these? This is the lemon pepper one.
It just tastes like a normal shit.
Lemon pepper, 6.5 out of 10. This one, I can't tell what this one is. Try again. This one's 6.5 out of 10 as well. I'm guessing this is the mango habanero. So let's try this. Mango habanero is nice. Oh, I forgot. We have ranch here as well. Supposed to dip it in. So like this. Mango habanero is very nice. Spicy, it's sweet, It's very nice. I give mango habanero solid 8 out of 10. It's very nice. What about chicken? Was this garlic parmesan? Try this. For some reason I can't taste it very much. Garlic parmesan is mid. I don't taste all that. Let me try another one. Huh? Garlic parmesan is mid. The best one. The best one is this, which is mango habanero. Is the best one, and then the next best one is probably Louisiana rub. So put it right off the bone. Let me wash my hands. Say. Alright guys, so we finished eating Wingstop and it was pretty good. So let's give it a rating. Like we normally do, rating for price, value and taste. The taste was actually very nice. Favorite was mango habanero and Louisiana rub. The salt and lemon, the lemon and salt was alright. And then the other one, garlic parmesan, was sort of mid. Couldn't really taste much. The ranch sauce was very nice though. And the sweet potato fries were also very nice. Overall, I'll give the food a solid 8 out of 10. So, in terms of taste. For the price though, everything was like about £28. So, that is very expensive. How many? We ordered 16 wings, so 8 and 8. That's 4 different flavors, 2 drinks, and the fries. So £28. It's not bad, but it is a little bit expensive. So for price, I'll give it 6.5 out of 10. Yeah, pretty much, because the wings were pretty tiny as well, with barely any meat on them. So again, so in terms of value, overall it'll be a solid 7 out of 10. So Wingstop, not bad, but very nice wings, especially with the ranch taste, very nice. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.